I just received this amazing clothing rack from the VIPEK store. You can see here it comes with instructions. You do have to assemble it. It's very easy to install. You can probably put it together in about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, there's so many different things about this clothing rack which make it something that's going to last for a long time and that's very versatile. Now, the first thing is that you can see here that the wheels on the bottom, it has 4 wheels on each side, and these are nice 360 rotating degrees with the wheels. They are nice casters that are silent. They're going to be really smooth as you move it about. And you can see that 2 of the wheels actually have locks on them. So there's a lock on this one. All you do is just flip it and it locks the wheels into place. We also have one over there. Now, this also has dual hanging rods. So we have this top rod here, and then we have this middle rod here. Now, this is great because this middle one in particular is adjustable, which means if you want to adjust it down or up, it will accommodate hanging really long things. So that's also really awesome. And another thing is that this has hooks on both sides. So you can see that we have this little piece here. It has 4 different hooks. Now, this is great because this can accommodate, we also have it on this side as well, and this can accommodate things like belts and bags and sweatshirts and coats. Anything that you want out of the way that you need to be able to hang, you can hang them here. These are nice and durable. They're going to last, and they're very stable as well. This is actually made out of engineered carbon steel, which means it's going to be nice and durable. It also gives off an elegant feel. You can see it looks finished. It doesn't look like it's unfinished, which is really great. And the material is just fantastic. These shelves are actually pretty awesome. In total, you could move this nice. As you're moving it, it can accommodate about 300 pounds. And then if you're going to hold it into place, it can accommodate for up to 400 pounds. So you really can stack this full of all sorts of things. I love that it has that shelf on the bottom and the shelf on top that you can use. You can stick some bags up there, boxes, whatever you need. But you can see I'm 5'8", and this is nice and tall. It's going to be something great that you can stick in a storage room. You can also use this in a room, whether it's for personal use or use for your business. This would be a great thing to add if you're looking for a clothing rack.